This is so not okay. This is so not okay. I'm really not okay with this at all. How do I open this?
Just pull it up. Just pull it up.
Oh my god.
Happy birthday, Travis.
Why is this alright? Why is this cool? Spartan, go away. This is the best birthday gift I've ever gotten.
See?
Look at me. She's so miserable, it's awesome.
Alright, everybody out.
Why? Oh, shut up.